The video footage of 3 men killed by firing squad and that of another man who was burnt alive inside a grass-thatched house left the nation in shock and received condemnations from top military officials in Juba. Brigadier General Gatluak Majiok, Major Nayuan Garang Kul, Major General Per Aruap Kul and another unidentified officer were arrested in Sudan on Sunday. They were netted by members of the Sudanese intelligence agency in Al Fula town of West Kordofan state. The captives were accused of having orchestrated the attack that killed the commissioner of Mayom County, Chul Gatluak Manam along with 12 others last month. On Tuesday, the condemned appeared in a video streamed on Facebook, blindfolded and handcuffed. A few meters away from them is a line of well-armed officers dressed in SSPDF uniforms. At another distance, a group of senior military and government officials are seen watching the execution. 3 of the men were then killed by firing squad. But Gatluak was spared from the firing squad, only to die in an exceptionally painful way. Before he was burnt alive, Gatluak is heard conversing with his captors in Nuer language in what appeared to be his last words. "My friend, there is no problem, you remain in peace. And take care of our country, although you, people," Gatluak said and added, "doeth. The money you have now, even if you deny it, your money will finish." Then a voice commanded the soldier chaining him, remove the chain and tie one of his hands together with his leg. "Do we have to tie him with the chain?" said another voice from the soldier tying him. "Yes, let it burn with him," said his superior, before adding tie 2 of his legs. The condemned said in resignation, "Even if you don't tie me, I will never run out of this hut." He was then ordered to shut up. "Let him talk," said another soldier, and Gatluak said, "Whatever you are doing, is this the government?" Reacting to the extrajudicial killing, the Chief of Defense Forces, Lieutenant Gen. Santino Deng Wol vowed to hold accountable those involved. Speaking to iRadio, the SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lul Ruai Kong said the Army headquarters has seen the video clip of the incident, prompting the leadership to convene a meeting over the matter Tuesday morning. According to Lul, the Chief of Defense Forces directed an investigation into the incident to ensure the perpetrators are held accountable, saying the incident is unacceptable. "I was directed by the Chief of the Defense Forces that a thorough investigation is going to be carried out so that we know exactly who did the order of the killing to be carried out," Gen. Lul told iRadio. "What we have witnessed in Mayom County of Unity State is unacceptable. The Chief of Defense Forces has promised that a thorough investigation is going to be carried out and those who are behind the killing are going to be held accountable." Extrajudicial killing is outlawed in South Sudan. However, the UN Human Rights Council said the country has very weak institutional capacity, including of the judiciary, leading to prolonged delays in the delivery of formal justice and contributing to a near-total absence of the rule of law. Authorities are deliberately exploiting these weaknesses by resorting to extrajudicial executions to gain public support in certain communities, the commission found.